Let's get ready. Letter A says ant. Letter B says bear. Letter C says cat. Letter D says duck. Letter E says elephant. Letter F says flamingo. Letter G says goose. Letter H says hen. Letter I says iguana. Letter J says jaguar. Letter K says kangaroo. Letter L says lamb. Letter M says mosquito. Letter N says nightingale. Letter O says orangutan. Letter P says peacock. Letter Q says quail. Letter R says raven. Letter S says seal. Letter T says turkey. Letter U says urchin. Letter V says vulture. Letter W says walrus. Letter X says X-ray fish. Letter Y says yak. Letter Z says zebra. You're awesome, children!